Asian fit frames were designed for faces with shallower nose bridges and higher cheeks. People with these facial features note that traditional frames tend to slide down the nose and rest against the cheeks, making for an uncomfortable fit. How this breaks down in design depends on the frame. It could mean flattening the frame, narrowing the nose bridge, adding or enlarging nose pads, changing the lens rig, or altering the curvature of the stems. These differences are only intended to improve the function of the frame, subtle enough to make them more conducive for certain face shapes without altering the look or the style of the frames. At a glance, most people wouldn't even notice a difference. There are just as many different types of Asian fit glasses as there are for European. They just have a different fit so they stay on the face comfortably. This means that the better the fit, the better the functionality of the glasses. It is important to have frames that protect you from UV rays, so why not do it in comfort and style?